Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy the Pegasi Toros in GTA 5 online. First, open your in-game phone or computer to access the internet. Then, locate and select the legendary motorsport website from the list of available sites. This premium dealership offers a wide range of high-performance vehicles, including the SUV you're looking for. It's the primary place to find luxury cars in the game. Once on the legendary motorsport website, scroll through the extensive list of vehicles until you find the Pegasi Toros. It's typically listed among the SUVs, so keep an eye out for that classification. Take a moment to review its price and any initial customization options presented. Ensure it meets your expectations before proceeding to the next step of the purchase. After selecting the Pegasi Toros, you'll be prompted to choose a color and potentially some basic upgrades. Make your selections carefully, then proceed to confirm your purchase. Click the Buy button to finalize the transaction. Your new vehicle will then be delivered directly to one of your own garages, usually within a few in-game minutes. Get ready to drive your new luxury SUV. Once your Pegasi Toros arrives, head over to any Los Santos custom shop or your personal auto shop. Here, you can fully customize your new SUV with a vast array of options. Upgrade its performance, add armor, change its appearance, and much more. Personalize it to truly make it your own. Now, hit the streets of Los Santos and enjoy cruising in your powerful new vehicle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.